are at the South Asia MRO Summit 2025. I want to know, how do you feel?
It's wonderful.
Wonderful?
Whole aviation fraternity is here. It's good to connect with them.
Fascinating? Is it exciting?
Absolutely.
All right. So let's come to AI engineering. Give me a little brief about what your company does and how it is helping today's Indian aviation.
All right. So AI ESL is basically in the MRO business since last 50 years, if I may say. We were the part of erstwhile Air India. We are the engineering department of that, and then post disinvestment of Air India, we are with Government of India and we are independent MRO now. And we are the largest MRO in this region, covering everything from nose to tail of the aircraft. So line maintenance, base maintenance, engine maintenance and component maintenance. So I'll give you a quick brief about our facilities.
Sure.
Come here. As you can see our locations over here, we are positioned all across the India, north, south, east, west and center. Delhi, Nasik, Pentangar, then Nagpur, Calcutta, Mumbai, Trivandrum, Hyderabad.
Wow, that's a massive spread.
Yes.
And I'm sure you'll spread even bigger.
Yes, we are gradually spreading.
Sure.
So I'll tell you the salient point and USPs of AISL. Yes, there are other MROs also.
Right.
What is unique about AISL? Number one, we are the only MROs who is having 3 engine shops, having complete overall capability, along with individual test cell. None of the MRO in India is having that capability.
Alright.
Besides that, we are having largest network of base maintenance. All these locations which you can see, we are having base maintenance capabilities.
Okay.
Not only catering to Airbus, we are serving Boeing aircrafts, ATR aircrafts,
Right.
and we are also serving defense. So, I mean, you can imagine, besides that, we have all these locations, we have component overall shops, landing gear overall shop, and whatnot. I mean, whatever you can imagine, we are covering almost everything.
Right. Being an Indian company and you're affiliated with the government,
Yeah.
I want to know your quick thought about the Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative by the government.
Well, that is a wonderful initiative, and I would say that is the need of the hour for MRO industry in India. As you can see in the presentations, online presentations, India is the fastest growing MRO market.
Yes, it's with the percentage of 8%, it's
Yes,
growing,
that's
and
it, yeah.
by 2030 we are targeting to reach $4 billion.
Now, to achieve that, the most important part is self-dependency.
Right.
Because MRO market is mostly dependent on OEMs for supply of the spares, for
Absolutely.
technical information. So, being Atmanirbhar and self-dependent means we should have indigenizations, we should have technology transfers. Once that is in place, nobody can stop us. I mean,
So how is AI engineering is going to, inculcate the new technologies into their services?
well, to start with, we are trying to collaborate with OEMs on the latest technologies and upcoming engines and aircrafts. Once that is done, then definitely we shall require Government of India's support to get the technology transfer or indigenizations of these spares. That will make our job easier, because globally MROs are suffering from supply chain problems right
Right.
now. Post-COVID, there are
Absolutely.
huge disruptions and all the projects are getting delayed. So having indigenization on the spare parts will definitely have it.
And how do you think, the supply chain will smooth out?
We are dependent on the global suppliers right now.
Right.
Once we are producing in-house, I mean in India itself, then definitely we'll get it easily and quickly. The lead time, the logistics delays, everything will
Alright.
be sorted out. So with the time, we know that this aircraft will fall due for the higher checks.
Right.
It's high time we should upgrade our capabilities. So accordingly, we plan and upgrade our capabilities.
All right. Now coming towards your services part, you're into 4 different categories.
Yes.
And I want to know that sustainability, it's one of the key component. How do you are trying to inculcate that into the 4 products that you have right now?
Sustainability is, yes, it's a good point. As long as line maintenance is concerned, yes, we have international clients who don't have line maintenance facility in India. We are extending them all the supports. Base maintenance, as we have the largest number of hangars, we have 13 hangars in India.
Yeah.
13 and which will cater to the Indian requirement.
Right.
We are well sufficient to cater say the future requirement down the line for next 3-4 years. So
Yeah.
as of now, we are operating in single shift. We will multiply, we will operate in double shift, require 3 shifts in a day.
Yeah.
So we are comfortable with that.
Yeah, and since you have spread most of the places,
Yes.
and geographically also, India is very convenient for these services.
And the government is also talking about making India as a hub for the aviation
Yeah,
industry.
and I'm
So-
sure we'll reach that stage.
Of course, why not?
Yeah. One last question to you is a message that you would like to give to the aviation industry out there.
Aviation, rest assured, the market is ours, and keep trying to tap the OEMs because their involvement is important. Given the market demand, the number of aircraft which will be added in India in the next couple of years, MRO market is going to boom for sure.
And for the world, I would say you would like to tell them that come to India.
You will have to come to India.
That's
Of course,
unsaid.
yeah.
All right, that was lovely talking to you. Thank you so
Same
much
here.
for your
Thank
time.
you. Thank you.